Okay. So yesterday what we have discussed is, okay, what is RF device? The first thing, okay, and what is the display profiles which are available in the RF? Okay, we have seen three different profiles. One is the what is that? Sorry, three different profiles will be there in the RF. One is the display profile that will going to take care of the screen sizes. Second is the presentation profile, which will be connected to the warehouse 1:1 ratio. Okay, one presentation profile has to connect with only one warehouse. Okay, so that is the presentation profile and personalization profile. So how many users are there now within the warehouse? That much of personalization profiles will going to create and will going to assign it to the presentation profile. Okay, so these things we have seen it yesterday, and we have also discussed about the two managers. Okay, so what are the two managers we have? One is the screen manager and the other is the menu manager. Okay, what is the screen manager? Screen manager will going to means he will going to do the activities for the display profile. Okay, whatever the display profile, like the size of the whatever the profiles were there, he will going to manage it. The screen manager will going to manage the display profile, and menu manager will going to manage the personalization profile. What should be given to particular user, like that they will going to design. Okay, and we have already seen the advantages of the RF. Okay, so what are the different advantages we have seen it. So today we're going to see how to connect the SAP server to RF devices. Actually, this will be done by the basis and the technical team, but how it will going to be done. Okay, so for that, I will just show you one picture here. Okay, here you can see one picture. There is a SAP server. Okay, this is the SAP server. Here we're going to get the RT quality, RT development server. Okay, these are the different servers, and this is the production server what it is available. This, like for the development and quality, most of the time it will not going to be tested. In the production only we will be having the testing of this what is that RF devices. Okay, you can test it for the quality, and this production server, it is mandatory, correct? So we will be having the SAP servers over here, and these servers will be connected with the routers. Okay, routers mean just like our what is that, internet routers will be there, no? But these are the some big routers will be there. So for that routers, some external servers were connected. What is this external servers? Okay, these external servers are related to the RF. Okay, so we will be connecting these RF servers to the router and SAP server to the router. Here, inter means linkage will going to happen over here. Okay, so this is how we will going to do the linkage for the RF devices. So actually, we shouldn't do this activity. Only basis team and the technical team will going to take care of this. But here, no, and all these things you need not to worry about. Okay, they will never be asked in the interview. Just I am giving some hints over here. Okay, so this is how they will going to connect the system. Okay, based through the router, they will going to connect the external server to the SAP server. Okay, and
so any functional things is also there.
nothing,
right?
nothing.
Okay.
Okay. So function nothing will be there. Okay, fine connection of the SAP server to the RF devices. Okay, only those things, those people will be connecting the RF devices. Inside the RF devices, whatever things are there, we have to manage it. Okay, and here no, we're going to get three different layers. While connecting also, we're going to get three different layers. This is also need not to remember. Okay, just for the understanding, I'm telling. First thing is the dintro layer. Dintro. What do you mean by dintro layer means? It is related to the screens. Okay, the dintro is nothing but it is related to the screen, or else whatever the screen related data is there, it will going to carry out screen related data. Okay, screen related data means what? Like it might be taking care of the display profiles. Okay, display profiles. and like presentation device, presentation device, what kind of device we are using, and how we have to manage that presentation device, and subscreens. Subscreens. What do you mean by subscreens? Let us consider. Okay, the similar. Okay, this is similar to the, like. Let us go to you. You are into a bank. Okay, and there also the bank people will be working into some devices. Okay, so let us consider they are working in the what is that, some uh, fixed deposit screen. Okay, if they enter into the fixed deposit screen, okay, or else first initially the screen will be there, one screen will be there once they log in. Again, if they click on the fixed deposit, that will go to the subscreens. Okay, so that is how it is. Or else we are opening our bank account, and once I'm going to open the once I'm going to log in, I'm going to get the I'm going to get the main screen. After that, if I want to maintain the beneficiary, if I'm clicking on fund transfer, I'm going to get another screen. Within the fund transfer, if I'm clicking on the add beneficiary or else transfer fund, then I'm going to get a further screen. That is the sub screens. Okay, just like that, we'll be having the screens in the RF as well. All these things will be taken care by the dental layer. Okay, and some templates also. Okay, so what kind of layers are the what kind of display you should have, no, that all these things will be maintained in the template. Okay, so all these things will be taken care by the dental layer. Second layer will be coming, that is nothing but the business logic layer. Business logic layer. Okay, again, these things need not be by hearted or remembered. Okay, so just for the understanding. Okay, here this will going to provide the runtime transaction parameters. Okay, runtime transaction parameters. What kind of? Okay, so next step in the logical transaction. What is the next step? Okay, next step, logical transaction. Okay, one after the other. Okay, one after the other. Like as I explained now, like we are transferring the fund to someone means we're going to log in. After the login, what I need to do? Okay, at the left side or somewhere else, we will be having the fund transfer. Okay, I need to select that. That is the next step for the logical transaction. Okay, then what I have to do? Okay, so within that, I have to select the beneficiary. Okay, so beneficiary list will be there, some drop down and all. So I have to select the beneficiary. So that is the next step in the logical transaction. Okay. So just like that in the RF also, if you are saying, okay, like unloading or the inward activity, unloading is the first thing. Okay. How unloading will should happen, like that we will be taking care one by one. Okay. After that, clicking on the unloading, what is the next step? Unloading by HU or unloading by warehouse order? What? How we are unloading it? Okay, so they are the logical transactions. Okay, next step in the logical transaction that we're going to discuss about this. And functional code profile. Functional code profile. For every thing, no, we'll be having certain codes over there. Okay, so these codes we can able to manage it. Okay, so how these functional code profiles will be taken care and all, we'll going to see it. Next thing is the validation profile. Validation profile. See, what do you mean by validation profile? See, whenever let us consider, okay, the person is going to the some bin and he is scanning the bin. Let us consider the bin name is wrong. Okay, it has to give the validation for that. Okay, if whatever the bin he is scanning and if it is taking, then it is not going to validate the anything. It will just put the product. So that shouldn't happen. So just like if you are entering some phone number in the phone pay, that is a wrong number, and you are transferring the amount. Okay, initially it will going to show you. Okay, wrong phone number, something like that, it will going to show you. Okay, so just like that, we have to have the validation here. Okay, so that is why they have maintained some validation profiles as well. Okay, so these things, that is what I'm saying. Need not to remember anything. Okay, then the last one is the last layer is the content provider. Okay, last layer is the content provider. Within this, it's going to it stores and supplies the relevant data. Okay, whatever the relevant data is for that particular screen, it is going to supply. Or else we cannot able to proceed. Correct? No. So that is the content provider. So these are the three different layers which we're going to get, and this is how the system will going to work here in the RF. Okay. So let
Yes,
us,
Steve.
yes,
In RF guns, whether we'll be able to log in theory also. Just check.
Fury.
Yeah.
Yeah, Fury is there, but most of the time we'll be working with the RF means RF will be using, no?
Okay.
No, I didn't get your question actually.
No. See, for performing some activities from warehouse side,
Mm-hmm.
directly they will be using these RF guns for scanning. Yes, I totally agree.
Mm-hmm.
But for I heard for PO approval or PO release strategies, whether it is available, those things also they used to go and check in RF guns if it is big display, not smaller one.
Okay.
So if it is a big display, they will log in through the web page Fury login, and they do have one app. They said they will click on that particular app. They will log in with their user ID and password, and they can approve the PO and they can display the PO list also. Not with all the information, only with the basic information like the material, what is the material, quantity,
Dinesh
and
bhai,
plan.
this in use with mobile and your any portal browser portal, not in
Yes.
RF device. RF device is small device. No?
Yeah, RF device is
Only
completely
generally
small.
they
Yes.
are scanning the data from the coming where we have scanned the system.
Yes, yes, yes. I totally agree. Because just before on yesterday class, as Sribai was saying, we'll be having RF gun separate and we'll be having a display along with our hands attached. On that also, they
Yeah,
used to
I was
directly log in.
I was not in starting of this class today's class, but I think that connection is linked with the IP system. Correct? Sri?
No, no, no.
IP
1 minute. अरे दिनेश भाई आपने गलत देख लिया फिर. Okay, 1 minute. We will just
हाँ.
check it. Okay, RF mounted.
RF truck mounted भी है और RF
एक मिनट.
hand connected भी है. वो कल दिखा रहे थे, so इसलिए I was particularly asking.
See, truck mounted means 1 minute. I will just arrange.
Yes.
Yeah, see, truck mounted means something like this we're going to get. How
Right.
we're going to take this device and we're going to scan it. So for that, some wireless kind of thing. Okay, see here, he is doing it. So it is some RF devices fitted over here, but it is connected with one wire here only. It is not having any display here in this RF. Only it is a linkage to this screen. You are seeing the screen, right? For this, you are having certain linkage. That's it. One wire is there. See here.
Okay.
Okay, so just scanning it and it is displaying here. You cannot just take this device and you can scan it, right?
No, no, no. I'm not saying this device to pick. Even we have the menu option. I heard we have the web page link option where they will click on that and they can log in also from that devices. I heard. So that's why I was particularly checking.
Okay, so actually this is how we will going to see in the RF. Okay, so I means RF we can able to open it in the what is that GUI as well as in the Fury. Okay, whatever the transaction you're going to get in the GUI, all the things you can open it in the Fury. Okay, so this is what the screen is all about. Okay, so we're going to discuss all these things one by one. Okay, so first thing I'm just logging into the RF now. Okay, first what are the different profiles are there we're going to see and we can move on. Okay, no. So that means is it your query is resolved?
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So I'm just moving to RF now. SPRO, IMG, SCMEW, Extended Warehouse Management. Within this, we have mobile data entry. Okay, mobile data entry. Just click on this. See, we have the radio frequency framework. Okay, just go here. This one define steps in the logical transaction. Okay, so here we have to define the different steps in the logical transaction. So many things will be there. Whatever the what is that? build system build is there, we will going to do it here only. For the RF, whatever the system build is there, we will going to do it here only. Okay, so how we will going to do it? So I'll just execute this define steps in the logical transaction. First one, we will go to the presentation profile. See, this is the presentation profile. Double click on this. Okay, there are so many different things will be there here. Okay, you can have the defined logical transactions are there here. Okay, here what are the different? See, these are some standard logical transactions. Star 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 like that they have given. This is the standard one. Okay, within that define the presentation text. You can say, see, just select this and go to the define presentation text. If you are saying, okay, it is not coming anything. Okay, here, yeah, logical transaction step flow will be there. 1 minute. Okay, under that, we have the presentation profile and logical transaction, then the step. Okay, all these things we're going to see it little later only. But the first thing, we have to see the presentation profile. Okay, so this the star 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 is there, no? 4 stars. It is the standard presentation profile. We can copy this and we can have our own presentation profile. See, I'll just copy this. I'll say double one double one. Sorry, double one double zero is my standard presentation profile for warehouse double one double zero. Like that, I'm going to define this. 1 minute. Yeah, I'll say just delete this and I'm going to create one more time.
अरे वो स्टार चला गया I guess. आपने स्टार का कॉपी किया वो स्टार.
Yeah, the star will be there at the top. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it is downside. No.
Oh.
Okay, you just have to copy double one double zero standard warehouse profile double one double zero like that. I'm going to say click enter and copy all. Okay, all the things will be copied. Okay, so what are the different things were copied inside this? Okay, so under the presentation profile, okay, we will be having the personalization profile. See how many users will be there, no? That many personalization profiles you can able to create here. So I'll just click on the personalization profile. These are the standard one. Okay, star star is there, star one is there. Okay, this is for the pick by wise. Okay, so I never have done with this. Okay, pick by wise. I'm just telling about the standard personalization. Okay, for you people. So let us consider in this standard personalization what is there. Okay, so what all the different things you can able to see. You can able to define your own also. Okay, I'll just select this. Okay, I will just say copy, and I'm going to give only inbound. Okay, the personalization profile is of only 2 ports. Okay, only 2 ports we can able to define. Okay, so this is I'm going to say function inbound. Okay, function inbound. This is for only inbound activities. Okay, I'll just give click enter. Okay, only for the inbound we can able to see one example. Okay, anyway we are going to test with the standard only, but these things I am just maintaining for your understanding. Okay, so here once I'm going to create the presentation profile, okay, and assign the presentation profile to the presentation profile, I need to assign this presentation profile to my warehouse. Okay, just go back. Here, one code is there. See, assign presentation profile to the warehouse. So this is into 1:1 ratio only. You cannot assign one presentation profile to the 2 warehouses. That is not at all possible. See, double one double zero. This is my warehouse number. For this, what is the presentation profile? I have to put it now. Double one double zero. Okay. So this is what I have created. So if you don't want to have it, so you can just what is that? Ignore this. Okay, you can ignore this and you can have the standard only. You can assign the standard only. Okay, that is possible. Okay, just save this. Okay, I have just now assigned this. Go back. Okay, so once you assign the what is that presentation profile, now we're going to we have to assign to the user. Okay, where we have to assign to the user the personalization profile, we have to assign to the user. User means what? This is the user. Okay, yes, Saldar is there. No, this is the user now. Okay, so you just go to the easy access logistics. Under that SCM EWM extended warehouse management. So here master data resource management. Under the resource management, you are here maintain users is there. Okay, just to go into the maintain users. Here, yes, Saldar is there, but already some other warehouse is already occupied here. So go to the addition, edit. Here standard is there, that is fine. Percentage profile, we have assigned standard, that is fine. So for instead of both, now I am assigning 1100 here. Okay, this is my warehouse now. Okay, this is the warehouse. And resource, what are the different resources we have created for this? Okay, resource 1 we have created and resource 2 we have created. I am initially assigning the resource 1 here. And I am going to remove this logon, auto logon is there now. I am going to remove it, click enter and save this. Save this. Okay, I have saved this activity. Okay, so these things, whenever you want, you can change. To log into the RF now, to log into the RF, we have a transaction that is /n/scwm/rf/ui. Okay, this is the transaction which we will be having for the logging into the RFUI. Okay, so this is a transaction. Just click enter. See, it is telling what is the warehouse and what is the resource which is logging in and what is the default device. We have provided the default device yesterday. Have you observed this? Here we have given.
Yes.
I'll just show you. In the maintain resource, we have given this device. Okay, which device is using like that? Default device. Okay, no? So this one we have given. I'll just go here, and once I'm going to click enter, these are the different things what I'm getting here. Okay, so these are the different things. So in this decode, we have removed the auto logon. We have removed the auto logon. Have you seen that? Okay, I'll just log off and say F1. Okay, so I'll just go to the RFUI again, click enter. See here, initially it is telling about this. Okay, this is the warehouse, this is the resource, and this is the default device. Okay, so auto login is off here. Auto login means it will directly show the screen for you. Okay, auto login is off. See here, here there are so many options are available. Okay, this is a central, okay, standard gun we are using this standard options we are using it here. Everything is given. Okay, see here, system guide is there, manual is there. Let us consider I want to do the inbound. So this is the 3. Click here. After that, in the inbound, first thing I want to do the unloading. So unloading through what? Unloading by delivery, unloading by shipment, like that. There are so many options are available. So this is how, these are the navigation we're going to call it as. Okay, if I want to go back, I cannot directly log it off. Okay, because if I log it off again, I have to log in, log on will be there. If I click F7, no, I'm clicking F7. Okay, F7 function F7. So it is going back. See here, is going back. Okay, so if you click F7 in your laptop, it will go backside. Okay, one step backward. Okay, sometimes if you are not getting like some messages will going to come. If any messages are coming, we're going to check it. So messages are coming means if the messages will be very short messages will be there. So if you want to see the elaborate messages, then you have to click F9. Okay, those messages will be shown for you. Okay, F9. And you entered something and you want to clear the data, F6 will be there. So you can click on the F6 and you can clear the data. F1 is for log off. Okay, if you click on the F1, see, I'll just show you. See, it is saying reason for the log off. RNs, no, I don't want to give any reason. F1 again. Okay, just logged off. Got it? Any doubts here? Hello?
No. F1, F6, and F7.
F1 is for log off, F7 is for going back, F9 is to see the complete message, and F6 is to what is that? Clear the things. Okay, whatever you have scanned. No?
Anywhere this is written or
yeah, it is not written actually. Okay.
Please write on the Excel sheet also.
Okay. Yes, sure. Okay, function keys. Okay, you will be using the, you will going to get it anywhere. Okay, F1 is for log off, and F6 is for here. Okay, F7 is to go back. F9 okay. Okay, these are the things, few things I am using. Now I'll say autologon on. Okay, I'm just making a autologon on. Just save this, and you go here and just click on the RFUI. Okay, see, now I'm just clicking enter. It is directly coming this page. Okay, it is not telling what is the warehouse, what is the resource, and what is the device. Correct? No, it is directly entering. You can have this. Okay, autologon, you can have it, because most of the time, why they will not be able to have the autologon, because the resources. Okay, as I said, the shift wise things will be there. Okay, for the same resources they have assigned some single device. Let us consider that time, if they are logging on the resource, they have to change over there. Correct? No, so that is the case. They have not, means they'll not going to have the autologon. If only one device is connected to one person, then autologon will be the option. Got it?
So it can't be tracked by any user. Who is the user who has received this and who has placed it? Is there any possibility to track? Just checking. So now there are
No, 1 minute, 1
multiple
minute.
users available.
1 minute. Yes, Dinesh, my good.
So my question is, so there are multiple resources available and they are having a lot of devices. So
Correct.
whether they will be doing login with their ID so that that can be tracked who has received, who has done
No,
this.
here it is here it is there. No, see, these are the different users which are available. Basavaraj is having his own warehouse and he is doing this. But in our warehouse only, let us consider in this warehouse only, if they are around so many resources are there, then they'll be assigned with their own personal profile here.
Okay.
Okay, if you are there and I am also there, and you have assigned with some outbound profile or the inbound profile, and I am given the central access. Once I'm going to log into the system, then only I can understand, okay, what profile it is showing. So I shouldn't touch this RF and something like that. You can understand there. Okay, but based upon the resources here, it is mentioned. Okay, resource is also mentioned here. For this user, this is the resource ID has given, and this is the personal profile which is assigned. Okay, based upon this also you can what is that? See your whatever the things are available within this your RF can. Okay, no?
Okay. Okay.
So see,
Yes.
like someone कोई दूसरा वो आरएफ गन लेके यूज कर लेगा तो वो ट्रैक नहीं होगा ना फिर?
वो ट्रैक नहीं हो सकता है. Yes, track means it will be on this particular resource name only. Okay, वो कुछ भी कर रहा है ना, वो RF गन लेके it will be with
So
this
this
user
user
only.
only. हाँ, this user.
That's what I was thinking. That's
No,
what
matlab
I
see,
asked.
Dinesh is taking my RF gun and he is doing the activity, means it will be tracked with this name only.
This name only.
बाद में मैं आके चेक करना पड़ेगा, अरे मेरा गन कौन लेके बैठा है वो. Okay, ऐसा
Yes.
okay. So here I will go to this screen. Okay, here we will be getting one navigation. Okay, what do you mean by RF navigation? Navigation means one after the other. Okay, one after the other. See, navigate to the page like that. They're going to say no. So please navigate over here, navigate over there like that. So let us consider you are opening one bank account again. Okay, so you want to transfer the fund, means the navigation will be there first, or else. Okay, just if you are opening what is that, the Gmail account. Okay, you want to see some inbox. Okay, what you have to do, you have to first click on the, okay, you have to first click on the Gmail option here. Okay, Gmail option. Okay, it is already linked with this, so it will go inside this Gmail account. Okay, I'm going to click on the Gmail option. This is the navigation I'm telling you. Okay, I have clicked on the browser and I have clicked on the Gmail. Okay, then here, if I want to see the sent items, then what I have to do, I have to click on the sent items. See, this is the navigation what I'm doing. Correct? No, I'm navigating to the sent items here. No, I don't want to see the sent items. I want to see some inbox. Okay, within the inbox again the star is there, smooth is there. All these things will come. Correct? No. So like that, this is the navigation. How we will going to get the same thing with the RF also. Here also we'll be getting the navigation. See, I'll say inbound. Okay, see 3 is the inbound. Okay, I'm just clicking there. We're going to get 3 different navigation systems. Okay, navigation, RF navigation, I'll say. Okay, 3 types of navigations will be there. One is the standard navigation. Second is the direct navigation. And third is the virtual navigation. Okay, I'll just give the example for this. What is this standard navigation? Say I'm going to click on the inbound. Okay, see inbound I'm going to click. Next I'm going to click on the unloading activity. Unloading by delivery I'm going to click. Means like that. Here I need to enter the delivery number. Then I can able to unload the things. This is the standard. Got it? I'm clicking F7 to go back. Got the idea? What is the standard? I'm selecting the whatever the menus are available here. Through this, I'm moving inside. See, I'm moving inside. Okay, this is the standard navigation. Got it? Now, what do you mean by direct navigation? See, I'm going to click the number here. Okay, menu is there, no? I'll just click 3 here. See, it is taken the inbound. Inbound, it is automatically taken. I'm going to click 1. It is taken unloading. And again, I'm going to click 1 means it is unloading by delivery. This is the direct navigation. You enter the number of the required menu item displayed in the menu field. Okay, here menu field is there.
If there are a lot of menu, then this shortcut will help.
Yes, going down and down, it will not going to be there. See, you are doing the unloading activity means you will be by-hearted with this. Okay, if you are doing for 10 times also, you are going to know what is the number for the inbound and all. Correct? No? You just enter that inbound number and you're going to move further. Sometimes what will going to happen within the screen, okay, selection of the things will be like, if this is the screen, let us consider this is the screen. Then if you are clicking, okay, you have over the angles, and if you are clicking on this, it is not possible for you. Okay, sometimes if you want to click on the manual selection, it may click to the system guided or it may click to the inbound. Correct? No? If this is a small screen and you want to click, that time they're going to just click on the numbers. Okay, the numbers will be downside. No, they'll be little big. Okay, they're going to click the numbers and they're going to click enter. That's it. I'm just clicking the 3 and clicking enter. Okay, and the 1 clicking enter, 1 clicking enter, like that. Okay, so this is the direct navigation we're going to see, and something will be there, virtual navigation. See, for inbound, within that 1 is the unloading, within that 1 is the unloading by delivery. I'll say 311 here. I click enter. See, it is asking delivery number directly. Got it? This is the virtual navigation. Any doubts here?
कस्टमर केयर को कॉल करने के लिए कहते हैं ना, 3 दबाओ 1 दबाओ.
हाँ, exactly. हाँ, ऐसा. That is the direct navigation. You got it. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so here we're going to get the standard navigation and the direct navigation and the virtual navigation. This 311 जो मैंने call this one, no, this is the virtual navigation. Got it? So this is how we are getting the 3 different navigation source here. Okay, and next thing we're going to see. Okay, what is the screen manager? How the screen manager is going to work? Okay, I'll just here. I'll go here. Okay, see, we have the RF menu managers are there. Okay, just log into the RF menu manager. I'll come to this. Okay, first I'll go into the screen manager. Okay, just go into the screen manager. See, here display profiles are there. Okay, and screens are there. Standard display profiles are there. Just go to the screen tab here. Just go to the screen tab. Here, I'm going to provide the display profile. What is the standard display profile? Star. Correct? Star is the standard display profile. I'm just selecting this. Okay. And application. Okay. What is the application? Application will be 01. Okay. All the time application will be 01 for this. Okay. We can able to maintain this. Presentation profile. What is the presentation profile? Standard one. I'm telling. This is a star. Correct. And personalization profile. Okay. So for a particular person, I have defined one personalization profile, means that is star only. Okay, the standard one. Okay. So for this standard, how is the screen is maintained? Okay, I want to check. Just click enter here. Okay, these things I have selected and maintain screens. I can say. If you say maintain screens, you will see one minute. It is executing. See, these are the different screens you are getting here. If you go down, see, this is the screen height, screen width, like that. You will going to get the different screens at this particular case. Getting the concept. So, display profile, I'm saying screen manager. What you will going to do? You will going to take care of the display profiles, correct? No, screen manager. Okay, so display profile means what? We have to just, it is only about the screens. Okay, so what is the size of the screen and where are the menus should be fitted? See here, I am fitting the menus something like this. Okay, the screen is this much big. Okay, in the RF only the screen is this much big. System guided, I'm going to keep it here, and here I'm going to put the manual selection. Here I'm going to put the inbound process. Like that I can able to put, no, this is a truck mounted screen, means the entire screen I can able to put however I want, correct? No, I'll be having a lot of space here. So that is how they're going to define these things. Okay, the screen managers. Okay, so I'm just telling about the screen managers here. Okay, so this is the screen size. Okay, screen height, screen width. Okay, so like that they have given the different things here. Okay, here some different screens are there. Here are some different screens. Here are some different screens are there. Getting the concept?
Yeah. Say,
Okay.
can you go one step back on that menu screen?
Menu screen. Okay, here.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you want to add any new tabs over here, how
Yes.
you will do that?
Yeah, you can add. Okay, I'll just tell you about that only. No? You can add. Okay. So first, okay, this is the menu manager. Once I'm going to discuss the menu manager, now I'm going to tell about this. Now we are just saying the screen manager. Okay, just we'll go to the screen manager only.
Yeah.
See, here the screen is there. I'll just select one screen and I'll say display screen. 1 minute, it is logging. Actually, we are not the one who will be doing it. Okay. See, like this, you're going to get the screen. It is a pick and drop options. Okay. See, I want to have some menus here. Okay, some menus will be coming here. So I just have to drag and keep it here. Okay. I just need to click and drag the item over here, and it is going to. We have to mention, okay, whether it is a F1 or F7 or F6. You can able to mention those things also. Are going back, going backward, going forward. See here, if I'm going inside, okay, I'll say inbound delivery. Here again unloading I am going to say. So these are the different things you are getting. Unloading by delivery. Let us consider some delivery number you are putting. No, here nothing is coming at the downside. Correct? No, nothing is coming at the downside. If you want to have some other things also, you can able to have it here. That will be maintained by the what is that? Screen manager will going to provide the space over here, and menu manager will going to put what else is required over there. Like that, he'll going to put it. Got it? No?
Yeah.
Okay, so like that they're going to do. Okay, now I'm just opening this. Okay, so this thing I'm not touching it. Okay, I'm not doing any activity here. I'm just showing this to you people. Okay, if you change or delete something, no, everything is gone. We cannot able to do any other things later on. Okay, so that is very tough part. So don't do any changes over here. Okay, don't do any changes over here. I'm just showing the display only. Okay, if you click on the display or change, and if you are changing something, then we cannot able to what is that means we have to reset everything again, and we have to use it. Okay, so that is why I'm also going to the display and I'm just showing it to you. Okay.
So in real time, who will do, like a webber or
Yeah, technical team will be there. So those technical teams, RF. See, these things you can also do it. Okay, it is not a big deal actually. Okay, you will going to see. It is very simple only. The drag and drop option I'm telling you. If you are just doing some activity here, see, drag and drop option activity only is there. Okay, if you want to cancel this, we're going to choose it and we're going to drag it here. There are so many different options which are available over here. Okay, how you want to get the screen and what are the different things should be there in one particular screen. Okay, next going back, all these things will be provided here. So once you're going to do this activity, the screen is ready for you. Okay, this is one screen. Okay, one small screen. What is the size of the screen? 8 by 40, something like that. It is given here. Okay, like that you're going to get the different screens. Okay, got it? Okay, so this is about the screens. The menu manager is going to completely take care of the screens. Now I am going to go to the RF menu manager. Okay, so here once you're going to see the RF menu manager. Okay, so already some data are filled. Now I don't want to have this. Or else, okay, first I'm going to show you. Okay, or else we're going to change it. Okay, I'll copy this and I'll say screen presentation is the same thing and destination okay, destination presentation. I'll give my destination presentation profile. Okay, 1100. And here let us consider you are chosen the what is that standard personalization profile. Okay, or the standard. Why we have to choose the standard? Let us consider FY inbound. Okay, only inbound I'm taking. Just move inside. Okay, one profile is going to generate here for the menu manager. Okay, for FI, see these are the different. Okay, what you said, no, Dinesh, like what are the different things we can involve. Okay, see here, this is the system guided. What are the different things? See, 5 items you are seeing here, correct, no? And if I am assigning, okay, I'll just assign and come back over here. I'm going to my resource and here presentation profile. I'm changing it to the FI 1100 FI. Okay, FI I'm changing it. Okay, only inbound function inbound. Save it. Okay, now again log out of this and again coming inside. Okay, see you are seeing the same thing because these are maintained over here. System guided is there, manual selection is there. Second thing, manual selection. Then the inbound main is there, outbound main is there, and the internal movements are there. See, inbound, outbound, internal movements. You want to add something, okay? You want to basically, okay, for inbound, no, this internal movements, and the outbound will not be there. Okay, now I don't want to have this. Just delete them. Just delete them. Okay, you will be having all these things at the left side. Okay, here some object names they have given, but description also is going to get, and you can select them. Okay, from here you can able to select whatever it is required for you. I have just deleted these things. Okay, here some inbound activities were there. Sorry, only inbound activities I'm giving. Outbound I have deleted. Here for outbound you have to just see it here. Okay. OB main is there, no? This one I have unticked. Okay, you can untick here or else you can tick here. Okay, if you are outbound main, if you are ticking here, it will not going to come directly. You have to click on the add entry to the subnode, like that. You have to click this, then only it will come here. Okay, like that you can have whatever the things you want to have. Okay, if you don't want.
So this is the field table fields, or what is that? How we can identify this is outbound?
This one actually these are the fields. Okay, so you need to understand these things. Main means the main screen will come. After that, system guided, manual, all these things. Description will be there. I don't know. This description should come actually. Okay, it is not coming here. Somewhere else, the description will be there. Okay, so just this menu, sub menu. Here we're going to get the presentation text. Yeah, now it is coming. See.
Yes.
Okay, outbound process is there, inbound process is like that. Everything will be getting it now. Here only descriptions are. Here presentation text is there. Okay. So I don't want this. Okay, for the inbound activity, I don't want this. Just remove this. Just save this. I am just saying the inbound only. I am just saving the inbound only. System guided, manual, and inbound. Correct, no? So what I'll do, I'll just log off this. Okay, I'll just log off this, and again I'm going to log in. I should see only the inbound. 1 minute. FI is there, resource is there, correct. Here I have saved it or not. Okay, let's save. Go back. F5 display. Many hierarchical perception profile does not exist. Perception profile FI is there, no? Correct. RF menu manager. Okay. We just copy this. Double one. FI I am saying. I'm removing these things. Delete. Outbound I am deleting. And I am saving this. This thing I want to move it up. But it will come and say so save this. I think it is saved. Go back. Go back. And we'll just log into RFUI again. Yeah, now see here. Only inbound is there, manual is there, system guided is there. Got it, no? We have removed this outbound and the interval transactions, correct? Got the idea?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how we're going to get. Okay, so if you are again giving the standard one, okay, let us consider I am giving the star and saving it for the resource. Okay, again you just need to. The star is also there for the presentation. Okay, just go back. Sorry, not here. We have to go back here. Okay, log off and again log on. Okay, RFUI again log on. So it will be taking the standard one. Got it? Any doubts? Yes.
Yeah, we are saving these steps user-wise, right? User-wise resource assignment.
User-wise, yes. See, here I am changing. No, here I am changing. Okay, sorry, not here. Here I am changing for the user. Correct, no? Okay, I have changed it to star F5 to star, so that is why the standard one is coming now. Okay, now if you want,
user we can keep different.
yes, for every user you can keep different. Okay, so let us do one test case. Okay.
So Sri, what we are doing here, we are changing on SAP screen, and it will reflect on the this device.
RF.
Yes, exactly.
RF device.
Yes, you
And
are right.
how it is connected, like that RF device with the IP number, or what kind of?
We have seen no here.
Servers
Will be there, router will be
External
there,
servers.
and SAP server will be there.
SAP server and this external server.
Router.
This activity doing by the basis team,
Basis and the technical team, yes.
technical team. Okay.
सुनीश भाई कभी किया क्या आपने इसको?
नहीं, RF gun का कुछ किया.
ठीक है. Okay, so I will just go to the. Okay, we will just do one testing now. Okay, and take slash and real 31 n. Okay, so do you remember any purchase order? Okay, 46 might be the one purchase order. Click enter. No, this is not the one. I will select it. Okay, I will just check it and come.
291.
291. Okay. No, these are not ours. Okay. Anyway, let's check it and come back. Okay. Slash PRDI and go. Inbound for 1100. Okay, just execute. Select anything and just go to the line item and go to the reference documents. Here we'll be having the purchase order. Okay, 91. Okay, I will just go and create one. Okay, so I'll just take one material, let us consider. Okay, and save this. Here, delivery got created. Okay, delivery got created. Copy this and go to the inbound and paste it here. Just execute. Okay, we got this delivery number. Correct, no? We got this delivery number. Now, if you want to pack, you can pack it. Or else I'm just taking the individual material here. I'm taking the individual material. It is not packed it in any of the, what is that? If you can check the HU, there is no HU for this. Correct, no? It is just a individual material I'm taking, I'm bringing inside. I'll go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Okay. So here, when I'm okay, I'll say create here. Why it is not coming? Okay, so time. It has to create the what is that queue for us? One thing, because we have queue given the queue based upon the put away. Correct, no? Based upon the activity, we have given the queue. Remember, I else need to show it to you. Remember it, right? Queue determination. Hello, audible?
Yeah, please show this.
Huh?
Yes, remember, but so.
Okay, I'll show that to you.
$657, right?
Yeah, that is right. Okay, yeah, go to the SPRO, IMG, SCWM, Extended Warehouse Management, Master Data, Resource Management, sorry, packaging specification, I guess. Okay, that's cross process settings. Here we're going to get the resource management. Under that, see, we have defined the queues. Okay, how we have defined the queues? Okay, I'll just go define queue. Okay, we have defined our queues inbound, internal, or outbound. Correct. And how we have given the queue? Okay, we have given this defined the we have defined our queue. But what is the determination criteria? We have used the determination criteria activity. Okay, see here for 1100. We use the activity. Put away means it will be inbound. Pick means it will be outbound like that. We have used the activity. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Based upon the activity. And here also I have mentioned this. See here. Q access sequence I have mentioned with the activity. 1100 first sequence will be activity only. If this is not there, then it will going to pick this. Correct, no? Okay, like that we have done. So I will just go over here and I'll say create this. Create. Now it should find the Q. Okay, if it is not finding the queue, then it will be a problem. See, queue inbound is determined. Why it should find the queue? Without the queue, you cannot able to assign to the resources. That is why. Okay. I say create plus save. Go to the warehouse task. Confirm it here. Okay. Here, if you open this form view, here we can able to assign the resource here. See, I'm going to go to the edit mode. And here, whatever the resource are there, it is going to show for your warehouse, and you can select any of these things. Now, individual product is a, let us consider I am taking the resource 1. Okay, I am taking the resource 1. So just save this. Save this. Okay. Now we'll go to move to the monitor. Okay, I'm going to move to the monitor. Copy this environment monitor. See, these warehouse orders will be assigned to the resource. Okay, so remember this warehouse order will be assigned. Okay, to the resources. I'll just show why how. This is at the top. Okay, and go to the Veros task confirmation page. At the top, you are having the Veros order, and here you are having the Veros task. Veros task cannot be assigned to the resources. Veros order are assigning. It in the concept. Okay, I have assigned this Veros order to the resources, not the Veros task to the resources. Under this, whatever the Veros task will be coming, all these tasks will be assigned to the resources only. This particular resource only. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So now I will go over here, outbound, okay, documents, under that outbound delivery orders and outbound warehouse order. Okay, just give this outbound delivery, okay, and sorry, I am going to the outbound, sorry, okay.
Inbound you have to go,
Yeah,
right?
inbound, no, I have to go to inbound. Okay, inbound order I will go and just give this inbound order and execute. Okay, here we got, and resource is also assigned, resource is there and your queue also is there. Now let us go to the RF UI. Okay, RF UI. Where is that? Okay, here. I'll just log off, and again I'm going to log in. See, I'll just go to the RF UI. Okay, I am what is the process now? Okay, the process is double click on this. Go to the warehouse task. What is the warehouse task? It is going to show what it is happening. See, you are moving the materials from the GR, this double on GR to the ST01. Okay, so you are doing this activity now. Okay, so for this, what are the different things we need to take care? Okay, for only this thing, okay, you are moving this particular material from the GR to the ST01. Okay, so I can able to take it based upon the order. Okay, see here there are so many options. One is the system guided is there, system guided by queue is there, system guided by selection is there. I'll just go to the queue. I'll say inbound. Click enter. Okay, see this GR bin it is giving, and double on mat material it is giving. Okay, so quantity it is taken 3 means it is taken some different this one only. Okay, it is not actually what we have created because I have taken only one material as of now. Okay, it is some different material. Okay, let us go back. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. F7, F7. Okay, I'll say inbound process. Inbound process. I'll say put away. Put away by HU is there. Put away by warehouse order is there. Let us take a warehouse order. Okay, just consider this warehouse order here. Copy this. Click here. Click enter. See, warehouse order not intended, and it is the message is not clear. Not clear. Correct. I'll just click F9. F9 here. See, you can see the message. See, warehouse order not intended for the resource. This one, like that it is saying. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? See, we have, where is that? Where is that? So, where is the inbound? Okay, yeah. I'll go back here. And, sorry, not this one. I'm going to define the queues here. Okay, where I am defining my queues. See here, double on double zero I am going to take. Where in which environment I am defining my queue. See here, inbound is there, internal is there, outbound is there. Everything I am saying non-RF, no resource management, like that I am saying. Non-RF, no resource management. Correct, no? But I want to take RF resource management active. Am I right?
Correct.
So for this I am going to make everything RF resource management active. I am doing it. Okay, for outbound and everything, I am just doing this like this. See, now I am going to save this, but it will not be activated automatically. For this resource, if you want to activate, then what I have to do, just log off this. Okay, go to the F7, 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 F7. Just go to log off this. Okay, and what we have to do, go inside this. I have to deassign the queue as well as the resource. Then again, we have to reassign them. Okay, how we can do it over here also. Okay, how we can do, go here. Here, unassigning of the resource is there. Unassign of the resource is there. And what about the queue? Okay, change queue is there. Okay, unassign the resource is there, change queue is there. Okay, see, if you are saying unassign from the resource is gone. Okay, I'll say more methods, change queue. Okay, Q here, if you are selecting some Q, it will be there. If you are not given any Q and just executing, Q also will go. Okay, so now I will going to reassign them. Okay, refresh and reassign these things. Okay, and say more methods, change Q. I'll select the inbound Q, execute. I'm going to assign the resource also. Okay, here assign resource is there. I'm going to select one resource. Resource one I'm going to select and execute.
PIDI screen also we can change this.
Yeah, you can do that. Okay, in the confirmation page you can do that. Okay. So it is an easy option, that is why I'm showing you. Okay.
So this is a one-time activity, right?
Yeah, this is one-time activity. Again and again.
When we are creating the warehouse task.
Next warehouse task, it will going to come automatically. Okay. So now I'm going to go to the RFUI. Okay. Here, inbound process I'll say. Okay. Same thing I'll go put away. I'm going to say, and warehouse order I'm going to take. Warehouse order we have given here. Okay. This is the warehouse order. Click enter now. See, this is coming up now. Got it? So scanning means what? I am scanning this bin, copy it, and paste it here. Okay, I am scanning the bin where my resource is there like that. Okay, I am scanning this material, copy this, and give it here. See, here one is there. Okay, so let us take this first. Okay, I'll just take one material. Okay, and click enter. Where it is moving. Okay, I am taking it from the GR zone. Where it is moving. This particular bin it is going. Where you can see that. Just go to the warehouse task here. See which bin it is going. See here. This is the bin they have maintained. Got it, no? System is defined this one. Okay. Just the RF gun is going to scan that and it is going to deliver the material here. Is this clear for you? Simple thing. Okay.
इसमें क्या-क्या किया आपने एक बार फिर से?
Yeah, I will do it so many times. Okay. Just I'm giving one idea. See, I'll just copy this. And the entire thing I'm this copying is scanning like that thing and I'm pasting it here. See, if you have maintained the RF, okay, if you have maintained the RF here, you can do it through the RF also, you can do it in the system also. But if it is non-RF means you can only do it in the system. Okay. So I'm chosen RF. Okay. So here I have chosen the resource management active with the RF. Okay. So like that I'm taking. So it is coming. And here one it is saying I'm going to go to click enter. 1 minute. I have to select everything, copy this, give it here, and make it 2. And here one item I'm going to say, and instead of this bin, copy, and I'll paste this, but instead of 4, I'm going to view 5. Click enter, it will going to throw an error, invalid destination bin like that. See, this is the verification profile, whatever the profile we have discussed now. Verification like that. Okay, validation profile. So this is validating. It is saying invalid destination bin, correct, no? So this is how it is going to validate the things for you. Any doubts here?
Yeah, what is the option in that when we are copying and putting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that?
No. I'm just copying this. Copy. If you are just pasting this, everything will be available. See, yeah. Whatever the things are there, no, I'm just copying and pasting it here. 1100 dash mat 1 is there here. All the things I'm copying, and the final destination bin I'm copying here. I'm putting it here like that. Okay. So here now initially I have copied the GR bin and I have copied that. Now you can see where the product is available now. Okay, where the product is available. Where you can see that. Go here. Go back. Go to the maintain users. Okay, maintain resource. Sorry. Here one field is there. Where exactly the resource is available now, that will going to show here. Initially I have scanned the bin, this bin, correct, no? I have taken the product. Now the resource is available here. It will going to change. It is the dynamic. Okay, it was constant standard we have given, but this is the dynamic. He has chosen the bin over here, and the resource, now the material is the resource, like that we can understand. Material is in the resource. Now I'm going to choose this, copy this, and paste it here. Click enter. Now we have selected the material and we have taken the bin and I have simulated there. Okay, now you can see that particular bin over here. Okay, just go back and again come inside. See where is the material? See where is the resource actually? This resource one. It is at the this particular bin. He is putting the product now. Got the idea? Wherever he is scanning now, it will going to identify. Okay, this person is at this particular position like that. This is what the position. What is that gathering? Okay, his exact position it will be going to track in the system. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the one important aspect what we need to see here. Okay, so this is one thing. And now what we have to see, I'm going to bring the material with the HU. Okay, I have to take it to the unloading, all those things. Okay, I don't know. I'll just go and do that. Okay, some changes we need to do now. Okay, for unloading, why it is not taking the unloading and all, I have to check it. Okay, because POSC I have to maintain, correct? So I will go to the SMEW, extended warehouse management. Okay, and cross process settings. Okay, warehouse task. Here POSC. Okay, we have given everything or not, I have to check. Okay, decon is there, loading, okay, everything is there. Just go to the first storage process. Okay, 1100. The storage process IBD1 is available. Okay, under this, what are the different steps? Okay, VAS is there, all these things are there. I don't want to have the VAS. As I said, VAS is not possible with this, correct? No, I'm not going to do the VAS. Okay, I'll just delete this.
Activities are not possible.
Yeah, activities are not possible, but no, this putting the product and all, it is possible. Only activities are not possible. What I'm doing, I'm just doing the unloading. I can able to use the decon also later on. Okay, I'm going to show the decon, but initially I'm going to do only the simple. Okay, simple what is that unloading. Later on, I am going to move the material to the put away. Okay, only two things I'm going to do it here. Okay. Okay, only two things I'll be doing it now. I have defined the storage process, and here in the process oriented storage control, okay, only these two things are happening now. For unloading, I have to check it. Okay, in the process oriented storage control, anything is there or not. Unloading. Okay, 1100. That is 1 minute. 1100. Okay, 11 UD. Okay, F010 is there. Okay. So F010 is there means I have to take, I have to assign F010 for the material. That's it. How I can able to assign the F010 for the material? Any idea? How it should take automatically this F010?
Through sequence only, right?
No, PDCI. Process determination.
PDCI, yes.
See, this is the rule based. Okay. Rule based we have maintained so that it is coming like this. So it is okay, not an issue, but rule based we have maintained means we have to go with that only, or else we can able to remove that and we can able to mention whatever we require. Okay, so now I will go to the mat one here. Okay, somewhere else I'll go over here. Let us consider /n/scwm/mat1. Okay, here 1100 mat1 I'll going to take. Click enter, say change, go to the warehouse data, and here I'm going to give the F1. Save it. Okay. Now this is coming with some PUC process, I think. Okay, we will just check. Okay, whether it is coming or not, because I need to check the warehouse process type as well. Okay, warehouse process type I'll go F010. Okay, 1100. For this F010, I have to check. Okay, this one should be assigned with the IBD1. See, storage process is assigned here. Correct? No? Now it will come. Okay, it will come for sure. Okay, so we'll just create one inbound delivery now. Okay, for material one. Okay, let us consider how the POSC is going to work. What is mandatory in the POSC?
HU.
Exactly, HU is mandatory in the POSC. Let us consider I'm taking two products now. Okay, I have to pack them. If you're not packing them here, you can pack them at the what is that in the PID screen also. Both things are possible. I'm just packing it now. See here, packing it now. Save it. Okay, I have saved. This is the inbound delivery what I have generated. Yes.
One quick question.
Yes.
Can you go to inbound delivery screen again? Creation screen.
1 minute. Inbound delivery creation screen. I will go here.
Yeah,
Yes.
just hit enter and okay. So while you are packing, can you just click on pack?
Okay, I'll just take enter to. Okay, 1 minute. Material. Okay.
So here we have multiple options.
Yes. This one.
First, no, that is the parameter screen you have already mentioned. But here, partial part quantity, partial XHUs, if
This one.
full,
Yeah.
there are multiple options. Can you just provide some?
Even I
inputs
don't know
on
that
this
because see per part quantity like that they have given. So here, if you are
Partial
taking
quantity.
okay, if you are taking one means two materials I'm taking now. Here per HU per part quantity like that they are telling means one HU it will going to take one product like that. Okay, so here per HU we can able to provide any number of quantities. See, it is taken okay new HU per particular new HU per this many HUs like that it is given. So this is based upon the HU. Okay, within the HU we are going to put now that time it will going to come. Okay, if full even I never used it. Okay, so if the HU is full, okay, we will be providing the data now. Once the HU is full, it will going to create a new HU like that. Okay, so these are some different things will be there. Okay, within this inbound delivery, actually, these things will be taken care by the what is that? Basically, we're going to maintain the packaging specification for this only. Okay, so if packaging specifications are there, not there, who will be doing the inbound delivery? Okay, that is your question. The delivery will be done by the people only actually. Okay, once the delivery is transferred to the EWM, then only we're going to look into it. But these things you should know. That is why I'm showing it to you. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because HU information, if from perspective, if we don't know, and just like that we are maintaining some HUs,
correct,
then that would be a very big.
No, only you have to create the inbound delivery because we have already maintained the packaging specification. It will going to create automatically.
Okay.
Okay. So I will go to this inbound delivery. I will going to put the 8 here and just execute. Okay. I got this line item. Just go to the form view. You should see F010. See F010 is available. Okay. For this F010 only, we have defined the what is that POSC. Okay. I'll just go to the inbound following functions, Veros task. I have packed it into a HU so that HU Veros task is going to generate here. HU Veros task is generated here. So this HU Veros task now I'll say create where it is going. See from this door, it is coming to the GR zone. See here, GR zone it is coming, and I'll say create plus save. Okay, so directly go to the environment. SAP screen. Okay, just copy this. Go to the SAP screen. There is the SAP screen. Okay, here. Sorry, monitor screen. Go to the warehouse order. Just give this warehouse order. Execute. Now you might be telling, no, I don't want to assign it over here. I want to assign the things in the confirmation screen only. You can able to assign this here. Okay, not an issue. See, go over here and you can assign. Okay, edit, assign the resource for this. Resource 1, let us consider, save it. Okay, and if you refresh the screen here, resource will be shown over here. Got it? So under this, what are the warehouse tasks are there? Okay, you can able to assign the resource only to the warehouse order, not to the warehouse task I said. Okay, under this, what are the warehouse tasks are there? See, this is one warehouse task which is available. Okay, this is one warehouse task which is available now. What is the task? Unloading activity is going on. Unloading from where to where? Okay, you are doing the unloading from the door to the GR zone. Correct? So now what I'll do? I'll just go to the RFUI now. RFUI, where is the RFUI? Where is that? Okay. Okay, just go back. Go back. Okay, I'll just log off and log in. Okay. Okay, every time it is not necessary. Okay, I'll say system guided, it is not coming. I don't know why. System guided selection. See, some Veros number it is taken, but this is not our Veros number actually. Okay, sorry, Veros order number. What is our Veros order number? This is 40151. Okay, because this is taking some previous previous entries it is taking. We need to clear all these things, then only we can take ours. Okay, so here some quality. Okay, so we have created this. Okay, we have left it blank. Okay, we have left it like this only. So that is why it is showing all the, see, quality bin means we have tested very long back, correct? No, we are moving the material to the quality bin. So it is going through the system guided means it is taking earlier entries. Okay, I don't want to go with this. Okay, getting the concept. See, system guided by Q, if you are taking inbound, I'll say here also I have kept something like some entries I have kept blank only. So that is why it is taken this one. Okay, some 400, so 0008 it is taking Veros order. We can check this Veros order number. We have given this Veros order. You go, just remove this. Check the Veros order number at the downside. Give this. Sorry, 40008. Execute this. Veros order is going to get it here if it is available. Nothing is there. 40008. Yes. Why this Veros order is not coming? I don't know. Let it be. Okay, we'll just go with ours. Okay. Now whatever we are doing now, we without this also we can go with so many different things. Okay. If system guided is not there, we can go with the different things. Okay, not an issue at all. Okay, go back. Go back. Now I want to do the unloading activity. See, inbound I'm going to do unloading. I'm doing it now. Okay, unloading. Unloading by delivery. You can just put this delivery. Okay, this is your delivery. Just click enter. See, HU it is asking. What is the HU here? Okay, you can take the HU. 1 minute. I'll say warehouse task here. Here you're going to find the HU. Okay, HU number. See here, destination HU and source HU it is there. 40235. 40235. Click enter. See, this HU is there. What is the destination bin? This is the double on GR is the destination bin. Correct, no? I'll just copy this and paste it here. Copy this and paste it here. Getting the concept? Or getting any doubts here?
Yes, Sri. I have some doubts. Please complete.
No, please ask. No.
So this activity we are doing in the SAP screen or that device.
No, actually we have to scan. Okay, so in the GR area, no, you will be having one scanning. What is that? Barcode. Okay, so barcode should be something like this. I'll just show you the barcode.
And this activity is only for that means if we have the handling unit side, then we use the RF device.
So see here. Okay, this is one barcode. I'll going to say GR zone in one. For this one barcode will going to generate automatically. Just 1 minute. I have to say refresh. See, GR zone bin 1. The barcode is generated automatically. Like this, you will going to get us different barcodes. If they want, they can generate the barcode here and they're going to paste it to the GR zone. Okay, so this will be changed. Okay, so however, you will going to just change the to know here. Something will going to change here. Okay, we don't know. Something got changed here. Okay. So these barcodes will be available for those particular things. Okay. So once the person is going to scan, okay, once the person is going to scan, the scanning activity, I'm just doing the copy and paste here. it will going to happen automatically. Once it going to scan, it will be happening
ये समझ में आ गया, ये समझ में आ गया श्री भाई। मुझे रियल टाइम में ये पूछना था कि ये जो हम एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, हम तो सिस्टम में ऑलरेडी ये सारा स्टेप कर लेते हैं, इनबाउंड प्रोसेस करके फिर हम कंफर्म करके वो पूरा कंप्लीट प्रोसेस कर लेते हैं। फिर आरएफ डिवाइस का लाने का क्या मतलब हुआ यहाँ पे?
दिस इज द आरएफ, ओके, व्हाट इज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, नो दिस इज आरएफ, ओके, मैं स्कैन कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा कर रहा हूँ मैं।
हाँ, नहीं, ये सारा एक्टिविटी हम आरएफ, वो जो हमारे पास हाथ में हैंडल्ड है, वो मैनुअल डिवाइस है, ये सारा एक्टिविटी हम उसी पे कर रहे हैं। ये
हाँ, उसी पे कर रहे हैं अभी, वैसा है अभी।
नहीं तो वो कॉपी पेस्ट करने का हमारे पास ऑप्शन आएगा वहाँ पे?
कॉपी पेस्ट क्यों करोगे आप? उस समय आप स्कैन कर रहे हो, ऑटोमेटिकली इधर आ जाएगा वो, स्कैन किया तो।
HU हम चूज करेंगे, HU स्कैन करेंगे, सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट
हाँ, HU नंबर विल गोइंग टू एंटर। उसके बाद में इसको स्कैन करने का, ये कॉपी करके पेस्ट करने का जरूरत नहीं है, विल जस्ट स्कैन दैट।
करने का, हाँ,
स्कैन करने के बाद इधर तो आ जाएगा, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा।
ओके, यही एनहांसमेंट आल्सो श्री ने बता रहे थे मुझे कल।
नहीं, वो बाद में बोलता हूँ, कल
आरएफ
बोलता हूँ।
डिवाइसेस पे HQ पे जितना भी मटेरियल्स है वो मुझे डिस्प्ले पे आना चाहिए, तो उस वैसे आना है तो क्या कर सकते हैं? सो दैट वाज द रिक्वायरमेंट गिवन बाय द क्लाइंट, एंड देन वी हैव इंक्लूडेड सम।
नहीं, उसको बाद में देख लेंगे, ओके, अभी नहीं। Okay, now I have scanned this. Okay, once I'm going to scanning means he'll be doing it through the handheld gun, but I don't have the handheld gun now. How can I scan? Okay, that is why I'm just copying and pasting it here. That's it. Okay, click enter. So it is moving to the. अरे कुछ अव्याप error आया यार।
सुनीश भैया।
सुनीश है ना इधर। HU this one. Okay. Here. Array access using zero object reference is not possible. Or else I'll go back F7. Inbound unloading I want to do. Okay, inbound unloading by shipment, unloading by delivery, unloading by. Okay, unloading by delivery I'm taking, or else I'll just go back. Unload by ASN. Okay, advanced shipment notification. Okay, I'll just 1 minute.
PU number you have mentioned.
No, shipment notification I have to mention here. There is a shipment notification. 1 minute. This is the ASN. Okay, doesn't exist. Go back. Unload my delivery only it should take actually. Why it is not taking, I don't know. This is the delivery number. So here we have provided the HU also. And this is the bin. From this bin, I'm copying this. So means it is moving to this. Okay, like that. It is already taken from the door and moving to this. Suresh, any idea on this?
सुनीश म्यूट पे है।
क्या चेक कर सकते हैं?
ये एक्सेप्शन का एरर आ रहा है, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, एक्सेप्शन का आपको कुछ पता है क्या?
वो कोड में चेंज करना पड़ेगा।
कहाँ? ST22 पे?
नहीं, कोड एक्चुअली ये जो प्रोग्राम है ना, वेब प्रोग्राम,
ओके ओके, डू यू नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस? मींस अभी कर सकते हैं क्या? बहुत लेट होगा इसका।
एक्सेप्शन का मैं बताता हूँ, उसका ना 2-3 लाइन ऐड करना पड़ेगा। ये जो है ना, CX_SY रेफरेंस इनिशियल, इसको कैच करके डंप अवॉइड कर सकते हैं।
ओके, सो कैन वी डू इट नाउ? इज इट ओके?
अभी आपको जाना पड़ेगा ये देखो, ये मेथड है ना, इसमें जाना पड़ेगा।
एक मिनट,
डायरेक्टली debugger जाओ,
here debugger.
debugger
Okay. Okay.
हाँ, तो ये जो है ना, ये क्लास ऊपर का जो प्रोग्राम है,
Okay.
ये मैं
The program.
हाँ हाँ, ये प्रोग्राम
Okay.
को कॉपी करो, वो पूरा उसको कॉपी करो,
Okay. Copy किया.
ऊपर लेफ्ट साइड
इसका,
में
हाँ.
वो हाँ
Okay. Yes.
हाँ, उसको कॉपी करो, ऐसे 38 में जाओ,
Okay.
हाँ उसको पेस्ट करो,
Execute.
हाँ डिस्प्ले में जाओ,
Display.
हाँ
Okay.
ले जाने के बाद यहाँ पे मेथड कौन सा था वो,
Method. I will just check.
हाँ नीचे का ना मेथड, हाँ डिटरमाइन न्यू पैक आइटम्स,
ये
और टैप
क्या?
मारो, हाँ
थोड़ा सेलेक्ट करो. Copy.
और टैप करो, हाँ
Yeah. Here.
हाँ डिटरमाइन न्यू पैक, हाँ उसमें डबल क्लिक करना,
Okay.
हाँ कौन सा लाइन पे टर्म पे हो चेक करना,
Okay. Back जाओ क्या इधर?
142 लाइन है, 142 लाइन, तो 142 लाइन पे जाना वहाँ पे,
Okay. कैसे इधर?
लेकिन ये तो स्टैंडर्ड है, आप कर सकते हो क्या ये,
पता नहीं. 142 पे है इधर.
हाँ तो 142 है ना, इसके पहले ना आपको कोड लिखना पड़ेगा, तो एंड एडिट करो उसका,
इसका एडिट करो इधर.
राइट,
You are not authorized to make changes.
हाँ ये स्टैंडर्ड है ना,
Okay.
तो
Then
यहाँ
what
पे
we'll do? I will just.
एक तो आप कोड कर सकते हो, नहीं तो ये एसएपी को देना पड़ेगा, वो लोग ही
वो लोग करते हैं क्या? ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक है. Okay.
नहीं मतलब स्टैंडर्ड पे,
हाँ,
ये
हाँ,
अपना ये स्टैंडर्ड है ना,
Okay. सिर्फ स्टैंडर्ड पे ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. Okay.
नहीं स्टैंडर्ड पे डेवलपर चेंज नहीं कर सकता है,
Okay. Okay.
ओके, तो अगर आपका लोकल ऑब्जेक्ट है उसमें हो सकता है, लोकल जो है, ये स्टैंडर्ड सब एसएपी को बोल के वो नोट अप्लाई करेगा,
Okay. Okay. Got it. So मैं क्या करता हूँ? I'll just try some other what is that warehouse or something. Okay. Why this error came actually?
एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना, अभी एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ, एक 5 डिवाइड बाई 0 होता है क्या,
नहीं होता है.
हाँ तो फिर वो डंप करेगा, तो उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, एक्सेप्शन कैप्चर करना होता है,
Okay.
ओके
Okay.
मींस इट इज नॉट रिलेवेंट, राइट, 5 डिवाइड बाई 0 क्या, 0 कौन सा भी है वो डिवाइड नहीं होगा, उसके लिए एरर थ्रो करेगा, डंप करेगा, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम सेइंग, सो इसमें क्या है ना, ये क्लास में वो लोग ने ये सब यूज किया है, मतलब एक्चुअली बड़ा से छोटा, छोटा से बड़ा, तो इसके वजह से ये डंप आ रहा है,
Okay. ये सिस्टम का एरर है क्या? मैं जो कर रहा हूँ उसका एरर है फिर?
नहीं सिस्टम का नहीं, देखा एक्सेस कीजिए, जीरो ऑब्जेक्ट रेफरेंस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, मतलब आपने 1 इक्वल टू 2, 1 इक्वल टू 1 होता है, तो 1 इक्वल टू 2 करोगे तो डंप आएगा,
Yes. Correct.
ओके, तो राइट साइड में ऑब्जेक्ट का वैल्यू ही नहीं है, कुछ भी उसके अंदर वैल्यू नहीं है, तो फिर आप लेफ्ट साइड में पास करोगे तो डंप आएगा, तो उसके लिए एक्सेप्शन कैच करना होता है,
Here values are there, no? Here whatever the things are.
एक्सेप्शन कोड का कोई कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है श्री?
I don't know.
वो उसका ही होगा कुछ, एक्सेप्शन कोड का एरर था ना,
हाँ एक्सेप्शन का ही एरर है,
तो एक्सेप्शन कोड का कोई कॉन्फ़िगरेशन भी है वो,
पता नहीं वो है क्या,
तो श्री को पता होगा,
अरे मेरे को पता नहीं है भाई.
नहीं तो आप ढूंढो ना थोड़ा एक्सेप्शन कोड और वो एरर दोनों में.
What I'll do now, I'll just configure this, okay, in the tomorrow's class when we're going to see this, because I need to tell about the deconsolidation, okay, also in this. ये सिंपल इनबाउंड देखने के लिए ट्राई किया हमने, सिंपल पीओएससी, बट वो सिंपल पीओएससी नहीं हो रहा है ना, देखेंगे इसको. ओके. आई जस्ट कम अप विद सम आइडिया एंड विल गोइंग टू सी इट इन द टुमारोज क्लास. अगर ये इस पे नहीं हो रहा है तो कोई सा भी वेरोस पे उसको कैसे तो करके मैं करता हूँ. ओके, विल गोइंग टू सी दैट. ओके ना?
ये आपका जो सिस्टम कौन ने दिया है उससे पूछो रेज करने के लिए।
हाँ 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 हाँ, ओके ओके। इसलिए बहुत कम लोग यूज किए। देखो इधर RFUI पे आप देखा तो यूजर्स, यू कैन सी नो, यूजर्स बहुत कम लोग हैं इधर। आई डोंट नो, सम दैट इज द मेन थिंग व्हाई द यूजर्स आर वेरी लेस। सी यूजर का लिस्ट देखा तो वेरी वेरी लेस पीपल आर देयर। इफ यू सी सम अदर सिस्टम, नो, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू। CK Reddy, if you are entering in this, user no transaction, okay, user /n/SEWM/user. See, so many users are there. See, these many, something is missing here. That is why so many people are not using the RF. We're going to see, somehow we're going to fix it and we're going to see. Okay, no? I'm going to do it tomorrow for you people. As of now, even I don't know what is this error is all about. Okay, so इस भाई आप कभी भी फ्री हो तो बोलो, मेरे को एक मैसेज करो. Because in my Ender system, I am creating the BP, but BP is not creating, it is showing some other error. Okay, तो उसको मैं आपको पूछता हूँ. Okay, no?
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so these things we're going to see it in the tomorrow's class. Okay, so whatever the unloading activity, so this POIC, all these things we're going to see it in the tomorrow's class. Okay, including the deconsolidation. So any doubts in the today's class? If you are getting, you can ask.
Yes, like ये HU के लिए ही सिर्फ वर्क करेगा या फिर RF डिवाइस?
नहीं, initially I have not taken the HU, no, only individual product I have taken, correct?
Okay.
So for that it is worked.
Okay.
It is not going to work only for the HU, but for the HU, if I am taking the HU, no, here one concept will come, distributed put away, like that. Okay, distributed put away करके एक concept आएगा इधर, distributed put away. Okay, so this is an important thing. Okay, what is meant by distributed put away means, I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to execute this. Okay, you're going to see this order now. Just select this and go to the Zeros task. Here we have picked. Okay, so this thing, it is not there. Okay, we have created already. Okay, once you're going to do that with the HU. Okay, only through the HU I'm telling, and you are using the RF, then only it is possible. We're going to see the distributed put away. That is, here we're going to, first thing, you will be picking the material from the what is that particular GR zone. Okay, you are picking the material from the GR zone, and you are putting it in that material into some bin. Okay, then for the GR zone, you are picking from for the resources. No, for this 1010 is there, no, like that. Where it is going, it is picked by the resource, like that. You are going to pick by the resource, but once while keeping, you are going to get the 1012. That is the distributed put away. One is for picking from the GR zone. System creates one Veros task for that, and from GR zone to the some what is the storage type, it will going to create another Veros task. Okay, that is what we're going to call as the distributed put away. 1012 is going to come. Okay, 1012. What is that 1012? You can see this here. That STRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, Extended Veros Management, GUR, cross process settings. Under that, you can go to Veros task. Here, Veros process type. Okay, what is this 1012? You can check it here. 1012, you know, put away, distributed put away. Distributed put away means it is dividing the process. Okay, you are just picking it, but the thing is that you are picking it to the resource. Then the resource will going to go and put it into some storage type. Okay, so whatever the resource is taking the product, no, for that also it is going to create one more Veros task. That is what it is distributing that picking activity itself. Okay, that is why we will going to call it as a distributed put away. Got it? Hello.
Yeah.
We're going to see it anyway. Tomorrow I'll try to come up with this topic. I need to rectify this. Okay, first I need to rectify this, then only I can able to do. Let me try this. Okay.
Only by Sunesh has provided one chat message. Check करो.
Pardon?
मैंने एक एग्जांपल के लिए दिया एक्चुअली क्या है ना ये देखो ये कोड में देखो
Where is
अभी
that?
क्या है ना नंबर 1 और नंबर 2 है डिवाइड कर रहे हैं ठीक है फॉर एग्जांपल के लिए ये इजी है आपको बता रहा हूँ ठीक है तो अभी ये नंबर 2 का वैल्यू 0 रहेगा ना तो डंप करेगा ओके तो एपा पर क्या करते हैं ये जो कैच है ना कैच वो डंप है cx अंडरस्कोर डिवाइड का ये कैच करके एक वेरिएबल में ex ref एक वेरिएबल में पास करते हैं ये कैच करते हैं मतलब वो डंप को कैच करके डंप नहीं होना चाहिए करके अवॉइड करते हैं हम ओके तो ऐसे ही वहां पे आपको ST22 में एक डंप आया था
यस
ST22 हाँ तो उसको कैच करके cx अंडरस्कोर दूसरा रहेगा उसको कैच करके एक वेरिएबल में लेने का और ये डंप अवॉइड हो सकता है ठीक है लेकिन ये स्टैंडर्ड है स्टैंडर्ड कोड में अपन नहीं कर सकते
ओके
ओके ये अगर कुछ अपना z ऑब्जेक्ट है अपना लोकल है तो ठीक है ये अपन कर सकते हैं समझ रहे हो
ओके गॉट इट
ये एक्सेप्शन बोलते हैं इसको ये कैच करके डंप को अवॉइड करने के लिए करते हैं
ठीक है हम इसको देखते हैं फिर ओके ना पहले मैं वो ट्राई करता हूँ आज उसको कनेक्ट करने के लिए कनेक्ट करके कुछ तो कैसे करके रिजल्व करके कल मैं आपको बोलता हूँ ओके या थैंक यू
Thank you, Sri.
थैंक यू